Smart displays have emerged as versatile and indispensable tools, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. These innovative devices combine the functionality of traditional displays with the intelligence of voice assistants, offering users a wide array of features and capabilities. From managing schedules and controlling smart home devices to providing entertainment and enhancing communication, smart displays have revolutionized how we interact with information and technology in our homes and workplaces. In this video, we delve into the top 5 smart displays currently available, exploring their standout features, functionalities, and how they are reshaping the way we engage with our digital world. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Amazon Echo Show 10 3rd Gen Smart Display. Experience true freedom as the Echo Show 10's brilliant 10.1 HD screen dynamically adjusts to face you wherever you are in the room. Whether you're on a video call or following a recipe, stay focused on what matters most without missing a beat. Say goodbye to awkward adjustments during video calls. With auto framing powered by the 13MP camera, you and your loved ones will always be front and center, ensuring every conversation feels natural and engaging. Transform your living space into a smart haven effortlessly. The Echo Show 10 seamlessly integrates with compatible Zigbee and Matter devices, eliminating the need for a separate hub. From controlling lights to adjusting thermostats, manage your home with just your voice. Keep an eye on your home even when you're away with secure access to the built-in camera. Whether you're checking in on your pets or monitoring your space, enjoy peace of mind with just a simple command. Elevate your entertainment with premium directional sound and a vibrant HD screen. From streaming your favorite music to binge-watching the latest shows, the Echo Show 10 delivers an immersive viewing and listening experience like no other. Take control of your surroundings with Alexa's voice commands. From managing smart home devices to accessing personalized recipes, accomplish tasks effortlessly with just your voice. Say goodbye to complexity with easy setup and control of compatible smart home devices. Discover and manage devices seamlessly with a simple voice command, making home automation a breeze. Transform your kitchen experience with daily personalized recipes and hands-free cooking instructions. With timers and grocery list management at your fingertips, cooking has never been easier. Showcase your cherished memories with Amazon Photos and Alexa. Turn your home screen into a digital photo frame, share photos with loved ones, and capture moments with ease, all while enjoying unlimited photo storage for Prime members. Number 4. Amazon Echo Show 5 3rd Gen Smart Display. Discover a world of convenience as Alexa assists you effortlessly. Set alarms, play soothing playlists for a restful sleep, kickstart your day with personalized routines, and stay updated with your calendar and weather, all through simple voice commands. Take charge of your home's ambiance, even when you're away. Seamlessly manage compatible smart devices such as lights and thermostats with just a voice command, ensuring your comfort and security. With the built-in camera, effortlessly keep tabs on your loved ones, furry friends, and surroundings. Whether you're away or simply want to check in, the Echo Show 5 lets you conveniently monitor your home and even connect with compatible video doorbells. Transform downtime into cherished moments by setting up a rotating slideshow of your favorite photos. Share memories with loved ones by inviting them to contribute, while Prime members enjoy the perk of unlimited cloud photo storage. Don't let its size fool you. Enjoy richer, more immersive sound with deeper bass and crystal clear vocals. Stream your favorite music, shows, podcasts, and more from popular providers like Amazon Music, Spotify, and Prime Video on the vibrant 5.5 display. Bridge distances with effortless video calls using the 2MP camera. Reach out to friends and family who have the Alexa app or an Echo device with a screen, and even make announcements across your compatible devices at home. Your privacy is paramount. Rest assured with multiple layers of privacy controls, including a mic camera off button and a built-in camera shutter. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind with support for viewing end-to-end encrypted Ring video. Number 3. Google Nest Hub C-Count Gen Smart Display. Imagine having your very own personal assistant right at your fingertips. With its edgeless glass display and 4 vibrant color options, including chalk, charcoal, mist, and sand, the Nest Hub seamlessly blends into any space. Its stunning display isn't just for show, it's perfect for reliving your favorite memories as a digital photo frame. And with built-in Google Assistant, managing your day has never been easier. From checking the weather to controlling your smart home devices, it's all just a voice command away. And for those concerned about privacy, simply disable the microphones with the physical switch on the back. But that's not all. The Nest Hub goes beyond just being a smart display. With its revolutionary sleep sensing abilities, it helps you understand and improve your sleep patterns. And thanks to its seamless integration with YouTube and other streaming services, you can enjoy all your favorite content with just a simple voice command. Plus, with 50% more bass than the previous model, the Nest Hub delivers crisp, clear sound that fills the room. And with touch gestures, controlling your entertainment is easier than ever, though it may take a bit of practice to master. With support for Thread Radio, the Nest Hub is ready for the future of smart home integration, making it the ultimate hub for your connected home. Number 2. Amazon Echo Show 8 3rd Gen Smart Display. Let's talk about what sets this device apart. Firstly, the immersive experience it offers is unparalleled. With an 8-inch HD touchscreen and spatial audio, entertainment reaches new heights. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows on Prime Video or streaming music from Amazon Music, Apple Music, or Spotify, every moment is vibrant and engaging. Now, let's talk about simplifying your smart home. The Echo Show 8 acts as a central hub, allowing you to effortlessly pair and control devices compatible with Zigbee, Matter, and Thread protocols. And speaking of effortless, video calling has never been smoother. With a 13-megapixel camera and noise reduction technology, stay connected with your loved ones in crystal clear quality, hands-free. But it's not just about connectivity, it's about cherishing memories. Amazon Photos seamlessly turns your Echo Show 8 into a digital frame, displaying your favorite moments with adaptive color technology. And let's not forget about staying organized. Adaptive content ensures you're always in the loop, whether you're glancing at your calendar from afar or diving into detailed content up close. Now, here's something we can all get behind: sustainability. The Echo Show 8 is designed with the environment in mind, made from 29% recycled materials and packaged in eco-friendly materials. And last but certainly not least, your privacy matters. With built-in privacy controls like the mic, camera off button, and a physical camera shutter, you're always in control of your data. Number 1. Amazon Echo Show 15 Smart Display. Feast your eyes on the Amazon Echo Show 15, the latest addition to the Echo family. With its sleek design and expansive 15.6-inch display, it's not just a smart speaker. It's a smart display that will revolutionize how you interact with your technology. Imagine having everything you need at a glance. Whether it's catching up on your favorite shows or managing your daily tasks, the Echo Show 15 has got you covered. From streaming your favorite shows and music to checking the weather and managing your calendar, the Echo Show 15 does it all with just your voice or a simple touch. Its vibrant HD display ensures crystal clear visuals, whether you're watching videos or making video calls to loved ones. And with the Alexa voice remote, navigating through your entertainment options has never been easier. Simply sit back, relax, and let Alexa do the rest. The Echo Show 15 seamlessly integrates into your smart home ecosystem, acting as a hub for all your connected devices. Control your lights, adjust the thermostat, or even check who's at the door with compatible smart home devices, all from one central location. Stay on top of your day with customizable widgets, shared calendars, and to-do lists, all accessible with a simple voice command. Plus, with seamless integration with your smart home devices and built-in privacy controls, you can trust that your information remains secure. Experience the future of family organization and entertainment with the Echo Show 15 from Amazon. Order yours today and reimagine how your family stays connected and on track. But what truly sets the Echo Show 15 apart is its user experience. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just looking to simplify your daily tasks, this smart display enhances your life in ways you never thought possible. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, happy listening.